Another one bolt. Severe thunderstorm warning.
Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, western Saline County in southeastern Nebraska until 6:45 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Omaha, or 23 miles northwest of Fambry, moving north at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include all southern Seward County in southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Nebraska, western Saline County in southeastern Nebraska until 6:45 p.m. At 6:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Omaha, or 23 miles northwest of Fambry, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near friend around 6:35 p.m. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 375. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Nebraska. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Jefferson, Saline, and Seward. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat.
Never stop. I'm gonna
Let's turn it up. Wait for the pops up. Wait for it. Come on. You're doing another one. Wait for it. Come on.
This severe storm will be near friend around 6:35 p.m. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 375. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Nebraska. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Jefferson, Saline, and Seward. Tornado watch number 16 remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, and Odo. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in those watch areas.
There was another one.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, tornado watch number 16 remains in effect until 10 p.m. for the following counties.
That was first bolt alert.
Gage, Johnson, Lancaster, and Odo. At 6:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Omaha, or 24 miles northwest of Fambry. Severe weather has been confirmed by low-record ping-pong ball-sized hail 4 miles north of Hebron, northeast at 6:11 p.m.
And then she says, Stay away from her, you bitch! And I'm like, who the fuck?
This severe storm
A
will
severe thunderstorm
around 6:35
warning has been issued.
Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 375. A tornado watch
Been
remains
issued.
in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Nebraska. For your protection, move your
Has been issued.
room on the lowest floor of the building.
Kids are gonna hate this part. So, which one is the Ewok? The horror.
In close to the watch area.
Second display.
While
Whoops.
severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for weather.
Maybe we should kiss to ease the tension.
Because we're on a tornado watch until 10 p.m. Tornado watch number 16.
Jefferson and western Saline counties. At 6:23 p.m.
I received the biggest gift of my career. I met my wife, the actor Tracy Palmer. But that was my girlfriend. And she gave me 4 gifts. Our kids, Skylar, Winna, Esme, and Sam. Sometimes I like to remind them if it weren't for acting, they wouldn't be here. If I came down and act, these are my day. I'm not gonna take Fox and a dad and that.
Animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe storm will be near, turning around 6:35 p.m. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 366 and 375. A tornado watch
I'm not gonna take Fox and a dad and that. After 3
Oh,
public service
what? I don't like Wheel of Fortune.
Okay, change it. You should go make your dinner. Okay?
I saw there's another one.
I know. You should go make your dinner until there's another EAS.
Johnson, Lancaster, and Odo. Remember, a tornado
I don't think that there's a TV on the spectrum for Jefferson, Saline,
video and the
Seward.
production for the water take
People the reason to
give the people the reason to smile. Public service announcement.
I don't see the EAS on the spectrum.
No. No, because it was for down here.
Yeah,
Okay? It's for right here.
yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
It's just outside our area.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
For you guys, thank you for
Okay.
you guys. Give me the
Go make your
chance
dinner.
to make you smile.
Okay.
Go make your dinner.
A lot of emails say thank you, Tico, because
I miss the EAS on the TV. No EAS on the TV.
It's so easy being a 5-year-old. Listen, and don't
The
be
last
stupid,
few
man.
minutes ago,
Getting yourself
a few
in
hours
trouble
ago,
or
it
trying to
was
get
it. It was the first time. What do you say?
That's it.